See how quickly they ran the double on Kobe.
Kobe right around Mike Miller. Aggressively to the rack. And the Lakers lead by 4.
Working Brandon Knight, one of the many players from Kentucky in this league. Knocked away, Lakers steal, world peace. Gets it ahead to Kobe. Kobe on the way to slam it home!
Kobe took it away. Fish will find him. And just like that, on the 360, the Lakers back within 2.
There was a team out there and knew that the Knicks might want to trade him. Man, I'd sure be trying to get him.
Bring back. Oh, Kobe Bryant! He carved for human life!
Coaches in 10 years. So watch.
It's a throwback Thursday, maybe a throwdown Thursday for the high-flying Kobe Bryant.
And look at this right here. Just a simple defensive end.
Players have coughed it up. Here comes Bryant. And this is how you finish if you're Triple Ocho.
The coach tells certain players, you know, tonight you won't play, but the next game you will.
Stolen by Kobe. There he goes. Dumps it home. A steal and a slam for Kobe Bryant.
Well, you just talked about his.
It goes on and on and on. Remind me of everything tonight. Yes, I'm in the zone. Dreaming about the things that we could be. You already know that's a real me when I'm in the spot. Don't believe it, just watch. Isn't too late now to say I need a one dance. And then we start to dance and I'm thinking like I feel over now, but I feel it still. I want you to be happier because I'm happy. Cause you make me feel alive. It goes on and on and on.
I said, girl, why you keep calling? I said, girl, why you keep calling? Yeah, she said, I need a new whip. Yeah, cause I know that you're still ballin'. She just wanna go back to the future, so I brought that girl a DeLorean. 21 minutes until I gotta go, so I told that girl I'm gonna slaughter it.
I guess dinner's on me. You know I got the sauce like a fucking recipe. She just wanna do it for the grand. You know, she just want this money in my hand. I'ma give it to her when she dance, dance, dance. Ay, she gon' catch a Uber out the Calabasas.
She said she too young, don't want no man. So she gon' call her friends, now that's the plan. I just ordered sushi from Japan. Now yo bitch wanna kick it, Jackie Chan. She said she too young, don't want no man. So she gon' call her friends, now that's the plan. I just ordered sushi from Japan. Now yo bitch wanna kick it, Jackie Chan.
Buckle up for Kobe Bryant. Kobe Bryant just sucked the gravity out of the target center. What a play. The win.
Kobe took it away. Fish will find him. And just like that, on the 360, the Lakers back within 2.
Look at the hustle of Lamar Odom. Off to Kobe Bryant. And Kobe with emphasis.